Traverse City 2024, and they're cherries. The red flowers make cherries.
Today, we're headed to Traverse City, Michigan as we make our way to the Great Wolf Lodge. Settled in 1857, Traverse City is a stunning and lively northern Michigan town, perfect for a family vacation any time of the year. We'll explore the Front Street District, Cherry Republic, and the beautiful Lake Michigan. Traverse City is the cherry capital of the world, which is known for hosting the National Cherry Festival. Stay tuned until the end for a very special, weird and wacky stop that is cherry related. For now, join us as we take you to a walking tour of this amazing and cozy town. Welcome back, Rocket School. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Something I like about this place is that there's actually a lot of parking spots, so you don't have to be an expert parallel parker. Look how pretty this town is. Everyone's walking around. Memorial Day weekend. I can't believe it's been like 10 years. It has been 10 years since Addison was here running around. Yep, you can take a video.
Melissa, looking at boots.
Melissa, looking at some boots.
Dude, I love these recreations. Addison's a good sport. Thanks, Addison. That made my day. So while here at Traverse City, you gotta make sure you go to Front Street. These are where all the shops are. We're gonna take you to a few of our favorites. Since it is the cherry capital of the world, we're gonna go to Cherry Republic. This is the perfect place for their store since it is the cherry capital of the world. Here, they sell everything cherry. They do sell homemade ice cream and cherry pie, but we are here for the generous sample stations. Oh man.
Michigan minnows.
I don't remember them having all these samples
Here.
before. Look at this wine area, everyone's drinking it.
I'm buying a bottle of wine.
Cherry wine?
Yep, it's called Conservancy Cherry Wine. It's a cherry pie in a glass.
Is that an adult?
basically. Yes, this is an adult drink.
I didn't see this. What is this? Milk chocolate covered.
cherry. I'm gonna have the dark chocolate.
That's good.
Dark chocolate covered cherry. I like it.
Some Cherry Republic stuff for road trips. Cherry soda pop. That looks good. What is that?
Red ruby sour patch. That one's good.
That's sour. Woo! It's sour.
No, it isn't. It's good.
It's good, but it's sour. I heard these are really good for you, so got myself a bottle. It's a cycle pub. That guy rides the bike while everybody goes drinking. That's pretty amazing. Oh, they're all pedaling? Look how cute some of the shops are. These ones are like cute dresses. Oh, Rosalie found the only toy store around the area here. So most of the shops here are mom and pops, very authentic and pretty cool. But the girls, they ended up at Lululemon. They love that store. So we are at the Front Street District. As you can see here, there is a lot of things to do here. We're trying to figure out where we're gonna eat. I think Addison found a place to eat. We are going to Pangea's Pizza. We're going to the roof. I love rooftop eating.
I want my pizza. I want my pizza. I want my pizza.
Man, I'm kind of full now. We're gonna go walk down, try to figure out how to get to see the water over here. We're so close. Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend right now. I'm surprised. Look, I thought it'd be way busier. It's busy, but not that busy. So, which is actually great for us as we explore the area around here. Show me your cool stuff. What do you got? Whoa, that's pretty good.
Traverse City 2024, and they're cherries. The red flowers make
Uh,
cherries.
The water's actually pretty clear over here.
I know, I was just saying that.
Any fish? Rosa, you see any fish? The vibe here is way chiller than Chicago, for sure. All right, come with me as I show you my private boats. Yeah, I wish. You're gonna need a little bit more subscribers than that. Our friends, apart from the course, just got their like sailing certificate. I wonder if one of these are their boats. If I had a boat, I would call it Santos Chronicles. If you had a boat, what would you call it?
Big Bertha!
Big Bertha.
I'll be so big.
After having our dreams of owning a nice large boat, we decided it was time to head to the weird and wacky attraction, the Cherry Edition. Today, we're at Traverse City, and we're here at the world's largest cherry pie. You know, but to be honest with you, like, I love stopping at these world's largest. It's a good way to be able to relax, stretch your legs, and have a little photo collection of world's largest. Here's the proof. On July 25th, 1987, this is a Guinness World Record for the largest cherry pie. So this was done by Chef Pierre Bakeries. And it's no joke. If you check it out, it's 17 feet, 6 inches in diameter. This is not the only place to claim that they have the world's largest cherry pie. Right here in Michigan, which is basically like the cherry capital of the world, we have here in Traverse City the world's largest, but only 50 miles away is a place called Chronicles. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I'll put the spelling right over here. And they've been competing, but you know what, in my opinion, if you have the Guinness World Record signed, you know, you win. In the comments below, put down what's your favorite world's largest. I'll never forget this weird and wacky attraction, and Traverse City has left a lasting impression on our family.
Well, I always like Traverse City. It's like a really chill town. And it seems to be like, you know, just quiet and like people just want to come here and just relax and hang out with their friends and enjoy the water, have some good food.
Click the video link right here if you want to see our adventure at Great Wolf Lodge here at Traverse City.